I just lost my ride to the moon.
What'd you do?
Ordered another beer.
You still got to fly in space.
You're talking to a lucky guy in the program. Not for the Skylab, VLT. I'm tied for the most shuttle flights, but still, every time I look up at the night sky, I think what I really wanted to do back then was go to the moon.
Colonel Finley is heading up NASA's lunar return in 2018.
And I would have been